Hello and welcome back to the Humbrol YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be running through the contents of the new larger Humbrol toolset, as well as introducing the smaller basic toolset for beginners. A set of basic cutters are present in both of the toolsets, and these are ideal for removing model parts from the connecting sprue. The cutting blade is offset to one side on these cutters, so parts can be snipped either flush with flat surfaces, or on more delicate parts the cutters reversed and a larger piece of sprue left behind to avoid damaging model detail. Both of the toolkits also come with a good quality modelling knife. The Humbrol knife has a knurled handle to enhance grip and a sharp blade which you should be very careful when working with. The knife can follow up from the cutters to trim the excess plastic away much closer to the surface with minimal risk to the model part itself. The excess plastic which does remain can be trimmed away with the files which are included in both of the modelling sets also. The basic modelling kit includes one file which has a rough surface for finishing off any leftover plastic lugs where the parts met with the sprue. Removing the connection points from model parts in this fashion is one of the first steps in getting a better finish on your models. Also included in both of the tool sets is a good set of basic tweezers with nice mating surfaces for handling delicate parts. So there we have the four basic components of the smaller toolset, which are also included in the larger toolset as standard, and this is a great starting place for any beginner who needs the basics for building models. Moving on now to the larger, more advanced Humbrol toolset, and those four basic starter tools are included in here as well, although the number of files has been increased to include some different sizes and sections. A set of spare blades are included for the knife, as well as a drill bit and pin vise for drilling small holes in your model kits. A small set of mini snips are included for cutting less resilient materials, as well as 3 clamps and a set of protective covers which can be used in conjunction with this magnetic holder to create a desktop vise. The spare blades for the knife and the drill bit are kept safe in this small plastic box. The number of files in this kit has been increased to include a half moon, a round and a flat section file for a variety of different modelling purposes. The mini snips, even though they're ferocious looking, are actually a really easy to control and accurate way to cut less resilient materials like paper or card. Their sharp, accurate cutting edge also makes them a great choice for removing small markings from decal sheets. The larger Humbrol toolkit also includes this very handy pin vise. It has a free rotating lug on the base end which is designed to fit into the palm of your hand. On the other end the chuck is screw secured and is reversible to hold drill bits large and small. The drill bit supplied in the kit just happens to be the perfect size for opening up those holes on the underside of Airfix kits. To use the pin vise, simply secure the lug in the palm of your hand and rotate the drill between forefinger and thumb. Before you know it, you'll have precise, small controlled holes right where you need them. Last but definitely not least, we have 3 different sizes of modelling clamp, which are also provided with self-adhesive foam rubber protectors to avoid damaging your model's surface. These are useful enough on their own, but combine them with the magnetic desktop holder and you have a mini vise. The protective pads simply press into place and avoid the clamp scratching the plastic on the surface of your model. These clamps are particularly useful for holding parts together whilst the glue is drying. Here 2 fuselage halves are being clamped together whilst Humbrol liquid poly joins the plastic along the middle. So there you've seen the contents of the Humbrol toolkits. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first tools or you want something a little bit more advanced to start building up your tool collection, look no further than the Humbrol tool sets. Thanks very much for watching and we'll see you again next time.